Well, yeah, for me, she can say whatever she feels like, but yeah, well, then maybe I should take some more acting classes, or should pursue a career in that. I'm not sure what she's thinking, but no, I didn't feel really good on court, to be honest. It was really bad because I didn't want to leave the court in a wheelchair. So I said like, okay, no, I'm gonna walk. And then the physios were like, no, you're not. And I'm like, yes, I will. And then my whole left leg started cramping. So they were really like, no, you're gonna sit down and we write you off. So also I didn't really have a choice.